Hello, this is one of the images that I decided to select for my website project on bearded dragon care. So I picked this image because it showed a lot of different aspects of bearded dragon care, including these rocks to climb on and rocks back here and a ledge up in the top, as well as these lamps that are a really important part of what I'm discussing. You need both something bright like this to give UVB to the animal to simulate it being in the sun, and then also some heat lamps like the ones over here. And so I decided to zoom in on what was originally just the right side of this image that really showed off the equipment involved in the bearded dragon's care and not just kind of the pretty terrarium setup that this person had. And I also made it down to 200 pixels by 200 pixels so it would load quickly on the webpage. Yep, and that's all.